We'll take a look at Microsoft. This isn't great. This trend line right here got broken. Maybe we reclaim it, and we get some kind of like A, B, C kind of ending diagonal pattern that takes you back up to a double top, maybe a little bit higher. But I don't like seeing this getting broken right here. And if Microsoft goes below 310, that's a really big warning. You're not going to see the market go higher without Microsoft right now. You're not going to see that, especially with what I showed you with like industrials and transports and a lot of your value names. It's going to be Microsoft, Apple, and big tech pushing us to a new high or not. And this pattern right here it's not encouraging. It kind of supports your blue count a little bit, but there's a chance that this new move higher is some kind of a diagonal pattern. I'm going to give Microsoft that. But I do want to warn everybody, just show everybody below 310, things could get very interesting.